I ain't never hog-tied nobody either.
Yeah, I have.
What they
Got
do?
a whole lot of bitch niggas and females trying to play these niggas and shit don't end well.
I just said that I'll put them in a finger food, but I ain't never hog-tied.
Somebody said, Ratchet gang, I was so high off an edible earlier, I stopped at a stop sign for like 7 minutes waiting on that shit to turn green.
She was green hot.
They say she over here casting spells on y'all.
Shit, me.
Nah, I'm good.
Well, her and that last comment, they both lied. Because that's a meme that they quoted.
What am I just saying? Ashley, what is your take on the case? What vibes are you getting? What talk to us. You up there? Let's talk.
I really get the vibe, man. They do know something about it. From the beginning of the case, I said that nigga TJ, he ain't do it, but he damn sure no more. Damn sure no more. If y'all was to see Fleetwood Manor, it's some bullshit in that motherfucker every goddamn day. And then that little, what's that dude name? Is it Otis Redding from Greenwood? Him and TJ friends. Who was on that clip with TJ? Ratchet just showed it. But I know that little messy ass nigga too.
Let's speak on it.
I'm saying, ain't that an alias though? Because ain't Otis Redding old?
Yeah, that's the alias. Yeah.
Gotcha.
We speak on it.
Yeah, I'm finna be on them niggas' heads though.
Speak on it. If they aliases, don't know. We not from there. We don't know. So go and speak on it. That's what we here for.
Yeah, because Otis Redding.
They fuck around in Greenwood a lot. And you know you can't really tell your left hand what your right hand is doing because you know the motherfuckers is listening to Ratchet. But I want to go see Alizé. I want to go see. And where is Madison located? Who is Madison?
Don't you live around them parks?
I don't know no Madison.
Have you been watching the plays?
I didn't.
My
see
bad,
the
y'all. I
one
stepped away
Madison.
from my phone. I was trying to get to this motherfucker. My bad, y'all. I got this, y'all.
Hold on.
What's good? What was you saying now?
I wanted to know more
You
about
want to know who Madison?
Where she was
Madison.
from.
Her name is Ashley.
I don't really.
Her name is Ashley Walker. Her name is
Okay.
Madison.
Okay.
Her name is Ashley. She go by Madison. It's like a stripper name, a dancer name, whatever the fuck she is.
I don't hang around them type of. But I ain't scared to go to them places and meet up with these people. They talking too fancy for me. They're dumb as fuck.
But you in Greenwood, right?
Yeah, I'm in Green. But I don't stay around. I have a house. I have a 4-bedroom house. Now I don't have to go to the hood. But I will for y'all. And I was dead serious about matching you, Ratchet.
What was I finna say?
But I text
All
you
right,
on that.
but back to this shit. So you know Alizé? You don't know nobody?
No, I know where they at. I know what areas they stay at.
You never seen them in real life before?
Hell no.
You ever seen Alexis before?
Mm-mm.
So what brings you to this case?
Because I have a lot of clients from Anderson.
What does it
I
have
have
to do with
people
what brought you
all
to the
over
case?
around the areas.
I'm asking you what brought you to the case.
I love
You
for
saying you
people
wanna-
and really get.
But you saying you don't even know these people. You saying you want to see Madison in real life.
Yeah,
you want
because
to
that
see
shit
whoever.
can really happen to anybody. And
But,
I want
listen,
somebody
you're still talking. You're not allowing me to speak. We got to have dialogue. You got to allow me to speak. See, when you try to overtalk me, you try to control the conversation because you're not allowing me to get all my thoughts out. That's how I lose track of what the fuck we really talking about. And you control the whole fucking shit. Come on, I'm smarter than that. You telling me you want to talk to these people. You saying you want to get next to these people because what the fuck they've been saying. You want to see them face to face, and you'll pull up, but you just said you don't know these people. So how do you even know what's going on? You don't watch my content like that, so how do you know what's going on?
Yeah, I do. I actually do watch your content.
What have you watched?
I just told you cannot tell your left hand what your right hand is doing. They hanging around people that I know. They are in areas that I used to serve. They think they doing shit and they're not. Are you reading them between the lines?
Yeah. So what's the temperature with Ratchet TV out there in Greenville? What's the word on the street?
Well, we all proud of you. We all proud of you my way.
That's not what I asked you.
What?
What's the word on the street?
You're doing more than anybody else. Everybody tune in and watch you from Greenville. But when it comes to really talking to it in person, ain't nobody saying shit.
Why is that?
I guess they love watching you, Ratchet.
I don't know. I feel like you're not telling me everything you want to tell me.
Ashley, could you talk to me?
I'll definitely text you and let you know my moves. But saying it, on this platform, I don't know who's here. I can't tell you all that. So I'm sorry about that, y'all.
It's all good. I get where you going to. We good. We'll chop it up. You know how to reach me. You know how to get in touch with me. I'm real easy to reach.
Yeah, I got you.
For sure. Just hit me up.
I will, and I love each and every one of y'all. I ain't on no hate shit.
Oh,
Fuck
yeah.
all that.
Ashley, I have a question. If you don't mind. What you were saying or whatever, you all for the good and this and that and the third. You've been watching about, how TJ and most of his people, they reach out to people, they're wearing all these beads and stuff, and you're in that area. Do you know any of the people that they deal with? Because I'm pretty sure it's like, 1 or 5 different, type of people. And
a lot of bees are bought from Botanicas. My bees come from Nigeria.
Yeah, I know. I'm not speaking on, necessarily what yours is. I'm just saying, like, the people that's there, like, hey, you're there. So maybe, like you said, you do good, whatever, with your people, whatever. Do you know, like, I know Sosa was saying one time, he know that he don't go where he go. You know what I'm saying? Like, for instance, with the E5, how they have a Baba. Do you know other people that they go to? Do you know what their symbolize, stuff like that? Do you know them?
They're wearing. I'm just gonna say this. What they doing is for show, because you have to have good character. Character is the first thing you must have when you're dealing with EFI.
I mean, you could be with who you want to be, but I'm asking about the people that they go to. Do you know any of the people? Sosa said, "Hey, the people I go to, I know. I went and checked. They ain't going there."
They're not going to anybody. They're wearing that as decoration.
Oh, from the internet. Okay.
Yes. Any more questions?
Nope, I'm about to drop you back down. Salute, Ashley.
Love all y'all.
Bye. Thank you. Salute.
Salute.
Go ahead, Miss MD.
Sapphire pulled me up. Did you want something, Sapphire?
No, I thought you raised your hand.
No. I just had him take me down.
Alrighty. She do that every night. MS.
I'm good too. You can drop me. You can go ahead.
Dumb.
Drop me down.
I was just finna say, take the fucking mask off.
We see. Oh, raise your hand. I'll bring y'all up.
They had her deep. It's another one down.
Gritty going in the comments.
Hey, they're saying that Alexis girl wants to talk, but when I clicked on her to bring her up, it said that she didn't want to join.
Alexis, pull up if you want to talk.
Ratchet down there going in too. I'm glad it ain't me.
Ratchet be going in every night. Down in the
He
comments.
down there telling somebody about their beans.